Unlock the power of your Shopify sales data by automating its export with Zapier, transforming your e-commerce operations forever. First, let's dive into Zapier. You'll need a Zapier account to start automating once logged in. Click on Create Zap. To begin building your workflow, this is where we'll tell Zapier what to do. For our trigger, we'll select Shopify then. Choose the trigger event as New Order. This tells Zapier to watch for new orders coming into your Shopify store. Zapier will then prompt you to connect your Shopify account. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier permission to access your store's information. It's a quick and secure process. Once your Shopify account is connected, Zapier will likely try to pull in a recent order. This is crucial for testing and ensuring the connection is working correctly. You can review this sample data to make sure it looks as expected now. Let's choose where this order data should go. For our action, let's choose Google Sheets. This is a popular choice for organizing and analyzing order data. The action event here will be Create Spreadsheet Row. This means each new Shopify order will create a new row in your Google Sheet. Similar to Shopify, you'll connect your Google Sheets account. The magic happens in the next step, where we map the fields. You'll see a list of columns from your Google Sheet and a list of available data points from your Shopify order. Carefully map each Shopify data point to its corresponding Google Sheet column. For example, map the Shopify order number to your order ID column, customer email to your email column, and so on. Take your time here to ensure accuracy. Before we turn this automation on, Zapier offers a crucial testing phase. Click Test and Continue to send a test order to your Google Sheet. This allows you to verify that the data is landing in the correct columns and in the format you expect. Once you're satisfied with the test, it's time to publish your Zap. Click the Publish Zap button and there you have it. Your Shopify orders are now automatically exporting to Google Sheets. Every time a new order is placed, you can expand this by connecting to other apps like accounting software, CRM systems, or even Slack for notifications. By leveraging Zapier, you transform manual data entry into an automated process, freeing up valuable time and gaining deeper insights into your e-commerce business. Start automating your Shopify data exports today for increased efficiency and smarter decision-making.